In this video, I'm going to tell you the truth and my opinion on Cetaphil, however you want to call it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for hanging out today. That was weird. If you're new to my channel, what's up? I am a licensed esthetician and makeup artist based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty, making it really quick and easy. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on my latest uploads. Okay, cool. Let's get into it. So first I just want to say, just a little preface, that I'm really passionate about this. So if things get a little heated in here, you can't say you weren't warned. So back in the day, long ago, when I had acne, and I did have acne, if you haven't seen my acne video, I will link it in the description box below, definitely check it out. I went to the dermatologist, and the dermatologist gave me a cream to use, and they also gave me Cetaphil cleanser. Now, most dermatologists recommend Cetaphil, and there's kind of been a little disagreement between estheticians and dermatologists, and not all dermatologists feel this way, not all estheticians feel this way, but the reason that it's so frequently advertised in dermatologist offices and why dermatologists like it is that it's cheap, it's mild, it's fragrance-free, not a lot of people are irritated by it, and Cetaphil and CeraVe, those companies, are owned by an acne company that prescribes acne medication through the dermatologist. True story. So let's get down to the nitty-gritty. You're like, why are you hating on Cetaphil, however you want to call it. Why are you hating on it so much? Let's break it down. Let's look at the ingredient list, okay? There are 8 ingredients in Cetaphil cleanser, and I'm gonna tell you about them, okay? I've got them just right on my computer out here, so that's what I'm looking at. The first ingredient is water. The second ingredient is cetyl alcohol, which is a wax. The third ingredient is propylene glycol, which is a humectant. The fourth ingredient is a foaming agent, so sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. The fifth ingredient is stearyl alcohol, which is a conditioning agent. And then the last 3 are 3 parabens: methylparaben, propylparaben, and butylparaben, which are all parabens are preservatives. Basically, they're gonna make that cleanser last until you use up the entire bottle because they are huge. Okay. Now, does it have products that are hurting your skin? No. Does it have products, ingredients that are helping your skin? Debatable, but no. Okay, I have another video talking about price and skincare, and if you haven't checked that out, definitely do so, because I'll dive kind of more into ingredients and, you know, kind of deciding on what you should pay for. But I am a super advocate of using ingredients that are actually benefiting your skin, instead of just using ingredients that will do the bare minimum. Now, a lot of these products, these 8 ingredients, are in a lot of other cleansers. The difference is that the other cleansers have other additive ingredients to help, you know, your skin do a little bit more. For example, if acne is the issue, one of them might have tea tree. You might have a tea tree cleanser. You might have a, you know, calming cleanser, something to calm down the skin. And you know what the thing is that there are a lot of really good cleansers out there. And, you know, I'm not telling you how to live your life. If you've used Cetaphil for years and it works for you, cool beanerinos. I'm just saying that if you haven't tried other cleansers that could help your skin a little bit more, I definitely recommend that you do so. Easy enough. Wow, I think this is like my most passionate video that I've released on my channel. All right, guys, hope you're having an amazing week. More tips and tricks and opinions on Facebook and Instagram at MakeupByShannonMarie, and I'll catch you guys next week for another video. Bye.